Okay, so here's what you need to know. Fill in the blank question. We talked about the Japanese mountain that is sacred to the Shinto people. You need to know the name of that mountain.
Sacred to what?
The Shintos. It's also the only mountain we talked about in Japan. We talked about the 3 influences that water make on people and populations. That is a short answer question, but I mean, again, it's just, these are the 3 things. I don't ask you to expand on them. I don't ask you to write a sentence on each one of them. You just pretty much got to list the 3 things. Another short answer question. We talked about 2 unique weather slash natural disasters that are unique to Asia. You need to know those. We talked about the crops that they're known for growing. You need to know 4 of those.
It's like a listing one.
Yep, they're all, I mean, like, the majority of the short answer questions are listed.
Wait, did you say there's 4 natural disasters?
There's 2 natural disasters slash weather, 4 crops. There was only 2 weather slash natural disaster things we talked about, but there were 5 crops. You need 4 of the 5.
So we just need to know the ones that they had.
You need to know monsoons and typhoons,
Oh, okay. I have volcanoes.
because earthquakes and volcanoes aren't unique to that area. Okay. Let's see. Need to know what the Green Revolution was.
Is that short answer?
That's one of your multiple choice.
So you're gonna have like a red revolution with it?
You never know.
Is that funny, Eddie?
You have.
You were laughing, no.
Here we go.
Don't deny it.
You have. There's 4 developed. We talked about 4 developed countries in Asia. You need 3 of the 4. That's also a short answer question. You got a multiple choice question about Japan, and they have one of the largest ones of these in the world. You got a fill in the blank question. When we talked about China, we talked about how the rapid industrialization has some environmental impacts. There's going to be a fill in the blank with what those environmental impacts are.
So the environmental impacts of,
The rapid industrialization of China. That's fill in the blank.
oh my gosh, Andrew's here.
You didn't know so?
We have multiple choice about Asian economy and what's the only country that has a strict command economy. You have a fill in the blank about population control. We talked about China and India and the things that they do or do not do for population control, being the 2 most populous countries in the world. Bless you.
Thanks.
So that's a fill in the blank question. I got a multiple choice question about where the Hindus are. You got a multiple choice question about the supreme spirit in Hinduism. You have a fill in the blank about the caste system in India.
The cast?
Yep, C-A-S-T-E.
Where,
Cast?
What's that?
where did you say it's in?
Fill in the blank about the caste system.
And where?
India.
Oh, okay.
Then your last question is back to the economics, and it was, we talked about the group of, there's a big economic union. That's multiple choice as well.
Wait, can you say that again?
Is that multiple choice?
Multiple choice, economic union. And that's your test.